now for our crypto report, and cryptocurrencies surged after a softer than expected inflation number, with the CPI increasing 8.5% in July from a year earlier, cooling from that 9.1% back in June, which was the largest in 4 decades. Bloomberg's Katie Greifeld here for more. Katie, any crypto winners in this rally?
Basically, the whole space was winning today. If you look across your crypto screen on the terminal, it all comes back to Bitcoin, of course, the largest cryptocurrency out there, having a fantastic day, up over 3% on Wednesday. Of course, that ties back to the reaction we saw in the stock market. You had the NASDAQ 100 up 2.9%. You can almost bet that Bitcoin's going to be up as well, just given that very tight correlation. And that all ties back to sort of wagers that the Fed is going to have to be less aggressive than maybe feared. And you saw that reflected in the bond market as well. But Bitcoin, your big winner. You also had Ethereum rallying very strongly, up almost 9%. Again, on Wednesday alone, as you can see in that chart, it has had quite the run over the past month and a half or so. But there is some fundamentals news there, of course, as we await the merge.
All this coming up, as you say, ahead of the merge. You know, how are investors bracing for this? And is it really going to happen?
It's a great question, a little bit impossible to answer. So it's known as the merge. It's a software update, basically. We've been waiting for it for a while. Theoretically, it's going to happen in the back half of this year. But what's important tonight, actually, you're going to see the so-called girly test. It's a German word. It's scheduled to take place. It's basically a test merge with a test network. And you have analysts saying this is the final dress rehearsal before we get to the actual merge. So that's what you're seeing reflected in the price. Just basically optimism that this test will go well and maybe we'll get the actual merge to follow soon.